Okay, so let's see questions 16 to 20 of this set C of theoretical distributions. Set C is one of the most difficult exercises, and these five are one of the most difficult, few of the most difficult questions of that exercise, which are on normal distribution. So let's check. Chalo, 16th. Salary of workers of a factory is known to follow normal distribution with average salary of 10,000 and standard deviation of 2,000. If 50 workers receive salary more than 14,000, then what is total number of workers? पहले तो anyone any answer?
Option A.
No, sir.
A. Okay. No. Okay, fine. So let's check. First of all, tell me what are the parameters of this normal distribution?
Mu is equals to 10,000.
10,000 comma
2,000.
2,000 square, right?
2,000.
Fine. They are saying 50 workers receive salary more than 14,000. So let's check what is the probability of salary more than 14,000. Then we can check ki 50 workers are receiving, that means what. So let's convert this to Z. For converting to Z, we'll have to subtract mu and divide by sigma. So 14,000 minus 10,000 divided by 2,000. How much is that? Greater than 2, right? Fine. Greater than 2 means on the diagram, can I say we want 0? Obviously 0 is here, 2 is here, standard normal ke liye. So we want this. So can we just do 1 minus ये सब area, this area?
Yes, sir.
Fine. They have not given the value, so we'll have to look in the table, right? So
0.024.
okay, let me check. मुझे मेरा table open करने दो. Wait. So look in the table. Value for 2 is 0.4772. 0.4772 is this area, right? So obviously entire this area will be how much? 0.9772. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine,
Yes,
because this is 0.5. So 1 minus 0.9772, that is correct. यही बोला था ना, 0.0228.
Yes, sir.
Now concentrate. 0.0228 is the probability of having wages more than 14,000. Probability is out of 1, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
is greater than 14,000 are 0.228 out of total, 0.028 out of total. But we know that there are 50, right? 50 people are greater than 14,000. So out of total how much? So cross multiply and find out.
For option A.
Okay, so question mark will be 50 by 0.0228. How much is that?
2,192.
Correct? 2192.98, which is 2193. Option A is correct. Fine, good. Clear? Can we proceed to next?
Yes, sir.
If you want to wait, let me know. If anyone wants to wait, let me know. Fine. Otherwise, 17th. For a normal distribution with mean as 500 and SG as 120, what is the value of K? So that the interval 500 comma K covers that much percent area of normal curve. ठीक है. What are the parameters?
500 and 120.
500 and 120 square, right? Fine.
Yes.
And the interval that they have given, that is, they have given that for values of x between 500 and K, the area covered is how much?
40.32.
40.32. मतलब can I say that its probability is 0.4032?
Yes.
Right. 40.32% of 1, that is 0.4032.
Yes.
Let's convert this to Z. So can I say probability that minus mu upon sigma. So 500 minus mu upon sigma, K minus mu upon sigma.
So 0 to
Probability that Z is between 0 and this K minus 500 upon 120, right?
yes, sir.
Is 0.4032. 4032 here, no? Fine. That means, can I say area between 0 to something, matlab this k minus 500 by 120, this area is 0.4032, correct?
Yes, sir.
From what they have given, obviously देखो phi 1.3, that is probability of minus infinity to 1.3 is given as 0.9032. That means this is given as 0.9032.
Yes, sir.
So obviously 0.5 if we subtract, then can I say this will be 0.4032,
Yes, sir.
which is matching with this. That means this is 1.3. Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
obviously they have given this value only, so that means that is going to be the answer. So find k.
656.
656 is correct. Good. Has everyone understood this 100%?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
656 is correct. Good. 18th is a good one. Important market.
Yes, sir.
Normal plus binomial. Let's read. Average weekly food expenditure of a group of families has a normal distribution with mean 1800 and SD 300. What is the probability that out of 5 families belonging to this group, at least one family has weekly food expenditure in excess of 2100? Now, like I told you while solving previous question like this also, concentrate. Can I say there is nothing like this in normal distribution? Out of 5 families, one family. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So first, let us just find probability that expenditure is greater than 2100. So simply let's find this. This is easy with normal distribution. What are the parameters of normal distribution here? 1800 and 300 square, correct. We want probability of greater than 2100. So if we convert to Z, it will be 2100 minus 1800 by 300, correct? 1. Fine. That means can I say 1 minus less than 1?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Less than 1 is already given by them, 0.84. So obviously 1 minus that will be is it 0.16?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Has everyone understood till this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is probability that someone's food expenditure is in excess of 2100. Can we call that as success?
Yes, sir.
Expenditure in excess of 2100, let's call this as success. So what is probability of success that we have just calculated?
0.16.
0.16. What is n here?
5.
5 families. Probability of failure will obviously 0.84. And we want at least one family to have that much expenditure. That means we want probability that x is greater than or equal to 1.
1.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Obviously rather than that it is better to do
1 minus probability x is equal to 0.
0 only, correct. So let's do this. 1 minus 5c0 is 1 into 0.16 raised to 0, that is okay, into 0.84 raised to 5. So this is nothing, right?
So option
Correct.
is 0.5.
Okay. Check if everyone is getting this answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. 0.5817, that is option B. 0.582.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Last two. If weekly wages of 5000 workers in a factory follows normal distribution with mean and SD as 700 and 550 respectively, ठीक है, वो parameters लिख लेते हैं. Parameters are
750.
50 square. Fine. What is the expected number of workers with wages between 660 and 720? Okay, this is an easy question. 660 and 720, so this.
Minus 0.28.
Okay. कैसे करेंगे 660 माइनस म्यू अपॉन सिग्मा दैट इज 660 माइनस 700 अपॉन 50 दैट इज माइनस 0.8 एंड z करेंगे इसको एंड
0.4.
करेक्ट 0.4 they have not given the value so we'll have to go to the table but ठीक है concentrate minus 0.8 will be on which side left right correct
Left side.
and 0.4 will be on this side
Right side.
correct we want to add these two can we do this table से देखो plus 0.8 for plus 0.8 we'll get the area from table because यहाँ पे whatever it is plus 0.8 it will be same by symmetry correct
Yes sir. Yes sir.
fine so we'll get area of plus 0.8 and we'll get area of 0.4 and then we'll add them that's it so let's get this area and let's get this area table for 0.8 it is this 0.2881 so this will be 0.2881 don't add 0.5 because anyway we want that much area and for 0.4 it is 0.1554 so answer is
Okay. Sir. 0.4435.
0.4435 and this is probability for like total of 1 but total people actually are how many
5,000.
5000 so if we multiply by 5000
2,217.4.
okay so these many people should be the answer which is option C check if everyone is getting that option C 2218
Yes.
Yes, sir.
okay good good okay fine last question 50% of a certain product have weight 60 kg or more whereas 10% have weight 55 kg or less on the assumption of normality what is the variance of weight you want this right mu and sigma square में से we want sigma square variance is asked right
Yes sir.
fine can anyone tell me what is mean here Let's see.
60.
60 perfect because concentrate 50% of certain product have weight 60 kg or more 50% मतलब exactly half right मतलब can I say this has to be 60 kgs check
Yes sir.
so that ये 50% आया उनका that means can I say mean has to be 60
Yes.
clear to all
Yes sir.
now let's see what they have given and 10% have weight of 55 kg or less 55 kg or less that means x is less than 55 probability of this is how much 10% 10% is
0.01.
0.1 0.1 होता है शायद
Yes sir.
fine okay let's convert this to standard normal first so z will be less than equal to 55 minus 60 upon sigma is it correct
Yes sir.
so is it z less than equal to minus 5 by sigma
Yes sir. Yes sir.
has everyone got it up to this point clear है
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
okay
Sir?
हाँ क्या हुआ
No.
okay
Please sir.
fine then if this is clear then let's see they have given something that phi 1.28 is 0.9 okay let's draw diagram of this up concentrate karo forget about this diagram tell me this minus 5 by sigma, can I say that is obviously negative? Correct?
Yes.
Hmm. That means, can I say this area is given by them as 0.1?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So by symmetry, if we take 5 by sigma, then can I say this is also 0.1?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means if I mean, can I write it like this also if I want? Probability that z is greater than equal to 5 by sigma
Yes, sir.
is 0.1. ठीक है. That means what is this area then up to infinity?
0.9.
0.9. Why? This is 0.1. So obviously this has to be 0.9, right? Because total is 1.
Yes, sir.
So can I write probability that z is less than equal to 5 by sigma is 0.9?
Yes, sir.
And if you see carefully in question they have given 0.9 only, that means
1.2.
1.28 is this value. Check.
5 plus sigma.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
समझ रहा क्या? Has everyone got this? Understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No? किसी को नहीं समझा तो बोलो.
So sigma
Okay.
is 4. Well, 3.
So 5 by sigma is 1.28. So sigma is how much?
3.9064.
Variance they have asked. So square it.
15.25.
Okay.
That's the next.
Sigma is what? 5 by 1.28. 3.90625. So sigma square will be 15.2587. Check if everyone is getting option A.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes,
Obviously it is not exactly correct but close. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, let's stop for today. I hope it is clear. If anyone has any doubts, let me know. यहाँ पे या comments में जो लोग recorded देख रहे हैं. Fine. Okay then, let's stop. Bye.